Are you want a high protein breakfast or an instant breakfast recipe? Well, this recipe serves for both a healthy Besan Chilla, perfect recipe to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get to the recipe. To make this in a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour as it is a powerhouse of nutrients rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals like many other properties. Incorporating protein on the daily basis is very essential for us as protein is the building block for our body. Into this, I'm adding water. Make sure that you add water very slowly into 2 to 3 times so that the batter does not form any lump and mixed it again. Now look at the consistency. It's time to chop or cut the vegetables. Add carrot or any other vegetables like green chili, capsicum, tomato, onion, ginger, coriander leaves, and chop it. Once they are chopped, add this into this batter. Make sure that you also clean the lid and mix these vegetables. Once they are mixed, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, also known as haldi. Add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder as it great for digestion, bloating, constipation like many other issues. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt or as per your taste. Mixed it again. Sure, the consistency of your batter is neither too thick or neither too thin. Now it's time to prepare our chillas. Drizzle oil, spread it with brush and pour a ladleful of batter slowly onto the tawa in circular motion. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of full batter and spread it thin from all the edges. Cover it and let it cook. Once it is cooked, transfer this into another plate and it's time to repeat this batter with the remaining batter. Wow, this healthy protein instant besan ka chilla breakfast is almost ready. Now I'm adding grated coconut for make it more attractive and delicious. You can serve it with homemade chutney or any other dip. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. My name is Sharon. Thanks for